What's good, YouTube? It's your girl, Tiffany, coming back to y'all with another video. This one is super impromptu, so we're going to try to get it done real quick in this one take. Today, I went outside at Delphine and, as usual, happened across a store that I love, Bath and Body Works. It was just one of them days when I felt like, you know what, girl? You did a lot today. Treat yourself. Why not? So, Bath and Body Works. This is what it is. And sometimes get my little thumbnail pictures. But yes, guys, I have 2 bags here. It's about 8 candles in there. And I'm going to start with this one and show you guys what flavors I got. Alright. So this is the first one. Don't mind the sun. It's kind of bright out there. This is the first one that I have. See that? Sun-kissed coconut. The container is pretty. It's all bright and springy, and it gives me Florida vibes. This candle smells so good. If you've never seen a Bath and Body Works candle, it has 3 wicks, so it burns evenly. This candle's price was originally $24.50, but when I went in the store, it was on sale. It was buy 2 get 2 free. So I figured that was a hell of a deal. Why not jump on it? Like 40 was that $45 for 8 candles? I mean, excuse me, $45 for 4 candles. I didn't think it was that bad, especially when it comes to these babies here. Okay, now I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. I am a super budget nista. Okay, I will take my butt to a Target. I will take my butt to a Walmart and get me some little mainstay candles for about $5. They smell amazing. But like I said, today I went out on a limb and said I was going to treat myself. So I did something I don't usually do and splurged a tiny bit. And this flavor right here, it smells so good. It's like coconutty, but it's like vanilla-y. Like a tiny hint of some type of floral in the background. Yes, sun-kissed coconut. It smells amazing. And this candle is $24.50. Mind you, they were on sale for $22.50 a piece. Buy 2 get 2 free. Okay. This is the next one. This is a more masculine scent. More, one of those scents that warm your house. I don't know. I hope you guys can see that. That's mahogany tea. Okay, ladies. This right here gives me the old school sexual chocolate, masculine, manly vibes. Like, it kind of puts me in the mind of an oil I used to smell. Like, I don't know if any of y'all know about the Muslim oils, but back in the day, if you're black and you're from a hood, you know about the Muslim oils. And this teak wood, this mahogany teak wood, gives me that vibe. It's so masculine. It's so subtle. Very sexy. Like, I got this one because I think it's a good scent to put in your home. Instead of always changing the oil fillers or whatever, put your little teak wood, little mahogany teak wood, and it just gives it a homey smell. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but it really fills up a space really nicely. Not too masculine, but not feminine at all. I don't know how to explain it, but y'all get my drift. If you know anything about mahogany or teak wood scents, it's a yes. Okay? Stick with the theme of mahogany, because I'm old school as hell. Mahogany coconut. This next one. It's so light. And this one doesn't have like a super strong coconut scent. It's like the coconut is like a background scent to the mahogany. Of course, all these candles have 3 wicks for even burning. So you ain't messing up your good old $25 candle, honey. I know we've all been there. I be mad about my little $5 candles when they only put that 1 wick in there and it burns right down the center. And then at the end of the day, you only use like $2.50 worth of candles because you can't get nothing to light that damn wick all the way down there in that burn hole. Comment down below if you feel where I'm coming from on that. I know we've all been there. When you got a favorite candle, you can't use it no more because the wick is stupid. Okay, yeah. Oh, I forgot about this one. Flamingo Beach. This one is not my cup of tea. This is a scent for a friend. But Flamingo, what is it? Flamingo Beach. Very Floridian. Okay? Very islandy. Very, very Eastern Parkway. Very Juve. Okay? This smells so islandy and tropical and really good. It smells really good. I don't even know. It doesn't even have a listing of what scents are in here. But I will tell you it's not coconut. I will tell you it's more very feminine, fruity. I don't know, but it smells good. If you're into those feminine scents, maybe a little citrusy, yeah, that's what's going on there. Add real quick, and then I'm gonna show you guys the other four. Okay, okay. Let's see. Different bags in store, you know. But we don't see this. All right. Ooh. Here's another one of my masculine home scents. Very, very warm. That's what I'm calling them. Stop calling them masculine. Even though mahogany or teakwood, whatever you want to call it, is considered masculine, it's more homey. That's the word I was looking for. Comment down below if y'all know about the homey smells. This one smells so freaking good. Subscribe to my channel. First of all, boom. Okay. Let me tell y'all something. I'm gonna give y'all the YouTube spiel. Like this video if you love candles and you love me for your home to smell good. Subscribe to my channel if you feel your girl's energy and you want to see more of me. Come back, hang with me. Subscribe. Let's get it, okay? And comment down below if you're into candles and into masculine slash homey scents. Like, let me know if you know what I'm talking about when it comes to that. As I sit here, smell the hell out of this candle. This candle smells like, first of all, let me show y'all what it is. Bergamot water. It's blue on the outside. I ain't tell you the colors even though y'all can see it, but I'm a blue girl and yellow. Those are some of my favorites. Again, it has the 3 wicks, so it burns properly. Okay. This freaking bergamot water's probably one of the first ones I put in my bag. As soon as I put my nose in it, I had to have it. I had to have it. It is very light. It's very warm. Smells like it has a hint of some citrus undertones. I don't know. For bergamot waters, this is what I would suggest. My people who love for things to smell good but don't like super overpowering scents, this baby right here. That baby right there. I think that is like an equal opportunist candle. That has a little something for everybody in there. It's like it smells amazing. Like I want to lick it type amazing. I know. Don't judge me. I'm not gonna lick it. I'm not gonna eat it. I know it's This is my second favorite of the day. Okay, guys. Rose water and ivy. This shit right here. This candle right here, y'all. This smells like date night with yourself. Okay. This candle smells like light it and get your mood back. This candle smells like remember who you are. Okay? It's very feminine, very light, very, I don't even know. It just smells freaking amazing. These candles, they said this is made with essential oils. I can see that being a thing because this shit smells amazing. Like, and then the outside is all rosy pink. It's just very, this is like a light gold top. It's just very feminine. It's very sexy. It's very soft, very light. It's very that. Okay, this one I got for my mom because why not, right? Get a little something for you, get a little something for mom because she need a little love too. This one is Peach Bellini. thing smells edible. I promise you. This right here smells very edible. This is for the girl who likes a little more kick with her scent, but it's still light enough that you can keep it going in your house and you won't get annoyed with it, if that makes sense. This shit smells like summer in a jar. Like, this peach Bellini smells like lick me all over. Okay? Like, I would like, yeah, you can like this when you got a nigga coming over. Okay? Oops, excuse me. And you got your boo coming over. When Bay is coming to the crib and you done pulled out that good lingerie and you feeling yourself, because let's be clear, ladies, that's what it's really about. You can be feeling your girlfriend, boyfriend, whatever it is, but when you're feeling yourself, it's a whole nother vibe, honey. And this peach Bellini candle, I have to wet my whistle, y'all. This peach Bellini candle, this one right here, this is the wave. This thing right here is going to, if you ain't in the mood between this and the rose water, you gonna get in the mood, honey. And if you need something a little more masculine to put you in the mood, light up one of the mahoganies or the bergamot. I promise you. I promise you. Like being a girl who's never wanted to pay over $10 for a candle, I will say that I am glad that I did. Like these candles smell amazing. I'm sure they last for a while. I'm not an everyday candle burner, so I'm sure they're gonna last me for a little while. And it's gonna change my mood and give me a vibe, and that's what I'm about. Moving into my new space, I just want everything to be a vibe. Energy. It's all about the energy. And if the energy is off, you're off. So yeah, last candle, guys. Island Daydream. This, as you can see, the outside of the candle. It's decorative. It's green and beige with some palm trees on it. I mean, being that I just moved to somewhere super with super tropical feels, I decided to get some smells to coincide with it. Why not? Set the mood. Oh my fucking this candle right here, y'all. This thing smells so good. Island Daydream. This is yeah. It's definitely like I can see lighting this up with a little drink. Whatever your drink of choice is. I'm not really a drinker, but I'm gonna pretend with my little drink. Maybe a little joint if that's your thing too. Um, but yeah, it just vibing out. Like you done cleaned the house, you done lit your candle, the bathtub is clean and ready for your bath or shower, whatever your thing is. I can see that. Like that ass. That ass. But okay guys. That I'm gonna stop talking because I can get stuck describing some things like in a real way. That's my thing. I love words. But I'm not gonna drag y'all today. That was my Bath and Body Works haul, the 8 scents that I decided to try out. I'm super excited about them. Um, yeah. So guys, if you are into candles, especially Bath and Body Works candles, run your behind down there today and see what that sale is hitting for. Buy two, get two free. If you enjoyed this video, I would like for you to hit that subscribe button, click that notification bell so you know when your girl is coming back with more videos. Like this video, help a girl out, put me on the map. You already know what it is. Each one teach one. Girl power. Black Lives Matter. Yeah. If you're here for all of that, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, like this video, tell a friend to tell a friend. This is only the beginning, baby. Up from here. Laters.